everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess and welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and deciding to give it a watch. In today's video we are doing what I want to label a mini laundry motivational video because halfway through, as you'll see, I actually lost the majority of my footage for this video, which I am so freaking bummed about, but I had most of it here anyway, so I thought I would edit it and get it up for you anyway, and we're just going to call it a mini motivational video. And without further ado, let's just get on into the laundry motivation. So originally this video was supposed to be a 2-day laundry catch-up extravaganza, but obviously I did lose that a good chunk of my footage, so it wasn't as spectacular as I wanted it to be. And on the second day, it took me so much longer to get anything done because it was just pouring rain and I had to get it all through the dryer. But if you have been here for a while, you know that my dryer is extremely old. Like, it is older than me, or as old as I am, and it just takes forever for anything to get dried. So it did take me a lot longer, and then I ended up losing footage. So I'm so sorry about that. And my next laundry motivation video will be much better.